Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my February 2021 Witch's Roots box. Super excited. Please like this video, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you, and let's check it out. Ooh. All right, let's see what we got going on here. The Triskele. I don't know what that is. The Triskele motif, also known as the Triskelion, consists of 3 interlocked Archimedean spirals, demonstrating rotational symmetry, continuous movement, and transformative cycles. So it's that. Very cool. Peppermint! Oh, I love it! My son's favorite. He grows some every year. We've got a herb bundle. Smells delicious. We've got a little, what appears to be a Triskele pendant. Yes, very nice, very nice. We've got a little bag here. What's inside? What's inside? Oh, it's a fluorite, I think. Looks like a fluorite to me. We shall see. We've got a spritzer. We've got a candle. The whole box smells like heaven. I love the smell of peppermint. Candle. We've got a spray. Beautiful. Smells very good. It smells like peppermint with like herbs in it. Cycles. And of course, peppermint. So let's do a little reading. Let's do a little reading. What do we got? As we step into the season of growth and abundance, we strive to disperse old habits and perceptions that work to cripple and persuade us otherwise. This process or cycle is represented in many forms used within our practices and portrays a very simple yet astounding concept of birth, death, and rebirth. It is simply not enough to know how important these cycles are for our well-being. We set our intentions on facilitating these changes throughout every aspect of our reality so that we can create space for new concepts, creations, ideas, and opportunities. In this very exciting collection, we work with the representation of the Triskele and the natural companions that accompany its energies. So, peppermint is sleep, healing, transformation, purification. And the artwork, of course, so beautiful. Love it. The Triskele pendant with cord necklace. Love it. I hope I'm saying that right. I might not be. Derived from the word Triskeles, meaning 3 legs, the Triskele, or triple spiral, represents a cycle in simple terms. These interpretations can be associated with life, death, and rebirth, land, sea, sky, or mother, maiden, crone. In essence, these representations are vital in our understanding of how important and magical each process should be. It is a simple reminder that we are in motion, working through transformative steps and gaining new insight through each phase. As you wear this pewter Triskele pendant, be reminded of how sacred your actions truly are and how they form the cycle of life in which you live. And then there's a Book of Shadows page for that. And then we have the aura spray. Creating movement within your energetic field. So it has spearmint, peppermint, and eucalyptus, vetiver, rosemary, and divine cycle magical oil. It smells like heaven. A fluorite stone. A cycles ritual incense. A wishing mini spell. And a dried eucalyptus bundle. Wonderful cleanser and purifier of all negative energies. You have included this eucalyptus bundle with the intention of bringing new and refreshed energy into your space. I absolutely love it. Everything in this box is wonderful, perfect, and the smell is amazing. It smells like heaven. I love this smell. I don't think I've ever gotten a eucalyptus this bundle before. I have a few fluorites. I've gotten a particularly lovely fluorite from this box before. This one's a little, but it's really pretty. Everything is great. So this is the Witch's Roots box for February 2021. I liked it very much. I'm going to leave the information link in the description below. Please check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon.